work hard to maintain your buildings and keep them operating efficiently. Like most facilities professionals, you have detailed documentation for your buildings. The problem is, this information lies in stacks of blueprints, binders, on servers, in emails, and other digital assets, and some information is only known by the people on your team. Studies show that the average facilities worker spends 1 to 2 hours a day searching for documentation to do their job. It might be an operating manual, a maintenance log, or a warranty. And search time can be more than 100 hours per person in a single year. What if you could get that time back with a solution that gives you instant access to any of your building's information at any time, anywhere, and from any device? Introducing SKYSITE, the solution that takes all your building information and puts it in one place, always available and on any device. SKYSITE Facilities takes your blueprints, emergency plans, warranties, and other documents and organizes them, makes them searchable, and makes it easy for your team to find the critical information they need to effectively operate your buildings. You can't predict when an emergency will rise, but you know one will. Imagine how much less damage might happen if everyone on your team could immediately find a shutoff valve or text a floor plan to a first responder. SKYSITE Facilities provides significant time savings for your entire team, greater efficiency when responding to maintenance issues, and big cost savings. That makes building owners happy and allows you to accomplish more. Let SKYSITE help you operate your buildings with greater efficiency today.